cThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2022 Coachmen Nova. This is the 20C model, and it's a front-wheel drive platform on the ProMaster. Very good driving vehicle. Something that's not necessary unless you're going to the extremes, but for the normal conditions, front-wheel drive is going to maneuver and handle very, very nice in all your conditions when you're out enjoying your everyday drive in your new Coachmen van. Come on inside, let me show you the inside. Large entryway. It's got the screen off here to screen off to get the ventilation blowing through while we're using the coach. Easy step into access. Overhead storage up front goes in quite a bit. Seats swivel around. Posted table in the middle for a lunch area. A little bit of overhang above the dash here. Nice view out the windows. We got the refrigerator, freezer, microwave. Got a nice big bath, shower, toilet all in one here with the soft touch closed drawers. Control panels up above. Induction cooktop, solid surface countertops. Little pantry area here. Control monitors and display here to check and access our lights, batteries, condition, and what our solar is doing. I believe this one has the option of solar package as well. Nice cabinetry work. Garbage can or two drawers here. It's got the True Tank system in it that's going to give you accurate readings. Nice clear-cut smooth drawers. You don't have to worry about getting slivers with the soft touch close. Little spice rack area, sink, faucet there with the strainer cover. Acrylic windows throughout, plenty of windows. Also has, you know, nice shades so we can dark out or screen out and pop the windows open this way to get a lot of ventilation in. And if the barbecue's outside and somebody's serving a burger from outside in, open the window, have them handed to you, and it's right there ready to go. This has the power fold down couch that's going to make into a nice big bed. Powers down. This area all fills in as cushion and makes us into a big bed with the privacy curtains that we have. We have a 12-volt TV here that can either watch here from the bedroom, swing it around, watch from the area up front. Nice little workstation that's a nice fully adjustable table. Works out really nice. Breaker panels down below. Overhead stereo system above. Again, more cabinetry. Lots of lights. Really nice wood work. Adjustable shelving, or the shelves could come out and this could be a hanger closet. Nice spice rack, look at that. And then you got the pull-out drawers there, all on soft touch. Really, really nice rig. I think you, when you're looking at the little vans like this, can really make a nice RV to really have a whole lot of Kodak moments. As we go around the outside, nice rugged steps there, easy closed door, nice appointed wheels. You got 110 plug-in here. This one does have the onboard generator as well. Backup camera, nice wide swing out doors. Powder coated ladder on the back end. Storage, a little bit of storage up underneath. So on the couch, it does have the seat belts, so it is an approved riding area if we're going to take passengers. Along with our pull down screen wall. Again, just added features that make this van a very unique, nice unit. Rear trailering hitch. Nice and clean down the sides. We got our dump stations and our tanks there. Our plug-in here. Everything comes in real easy in one area. We don't have a whole bunch of stuff connected down the whole side. It just connects all in one easy place. This is the Nova by Coachmen. We have a nice selection of used vans and new vans. This is a new one here. But BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon usually and always has a very nice selection of vans. So if you're in the market for a B van, make sure you contact me. My name is cThompson with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I've been here for 17 years, so make sure you contact me at 541-979-1770. That'll reach me direct. That's 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great afternoon.